Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. It's like a Koolkatkoo is the brand here. And I'll show you guys what we've got. Oh, got styrofoam. I do not do well with styrofoam, but here we go. So look at this. So we have a little cat on the lid. And then we have the mug with a cat on it here. Look at this. Look how cute that is. Can you see? Is it reflecting the light? Okay. Yeah, I think you can see. So it looks like that. It's got the little whiskers made out of like a silver shiny. And it looks a little dirty, but it's just the styrofoam on it. And then so we have a nice little mug, which is a good size mug. The back of it doesn't have anything on it. Bottom just says made in China. And then we have the lid with the cat on it as well. How cute. This is a cute little mug. So this is good. So you can have like a little soup or something like that in here. You could just have coffee or hot chocolate. Here at my apartment place, they have hot chocolate downstairs. So I can always go down and fill up my little cat mug with some hot cocoa. And I am good to go with my little cat mug. Thumbs up. I like it.